Today is a cold day. Something I'm not really that big of a fan of, you guys. Winter. We're down in the Skittle Fabs workshop, and I gotta get a package that was sent to me by Jamie Applegate, which goes by 513 Fabrication. I got a package here I want to unbox with you guys, but we gotta go to the shop first. That's my timing belt cover. I gotta finish that. And now we're off to the shop. I am at the shop. I have my Neon out. I have my Caliber right there. My dog's like, "What are you doing, Dad? Why are you playing ball with me?" Go get the ball, Lexi. Get it. Get it. Bring it. Give me the ball. 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 Lexi, drop the ball. Drop it. She loves playing ball just like her mother did. Anyways, that is my 2003 Dodge Neon SRT4, fully shaved, soon to be fully tucked, done by me. My 10+ point roll cage. It was a 10 point until I added 2 more points, so I guess it's 12 point. I have Harbor Freight bed liner in this whole interior, top and bottom, you guys can see. My buddy Jaron, he went and put that on the other day, his first windshield plastic wrap tape job. He did a really good job. I showed him how to do it. We got my XXRs. Somebody asked me the other day what type of XXRs. I forget what ones. Lexi, bring the ball. Get the ball over here. Go get it. Go get the ball. Go get it. Get it! I got roll cage padding on here that I've had for the past like 3+ years. I have my whole front dash taken apart because I'm now installing the harness back into the Neon's interior. You guys see I took a bunch of it apart already. I more or less gotta start going through pictures. Lexi, bring your ball. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get it. Go get your ball. Get it. No, go get your ball. Go get it. Bring it over here. Go over there. Okay? Sit down. Chill. Relax. These are my brake lines that I have not put back in the car because I have my fuel tank over there. I have my fuel canister at my house. I took it home in my Caliber. This is all that stuff that I gotta go through and put back there. But I gotta put all that stuff back together eventually. I gotta have the rear quarters fixed, but I might be doing something for the rear quarters. I might be cutting them all out and replacing them with something, but I haven't decided yet. I did delete the whole rear windshield speaker thingy, whatever you guys want to call it. Looks sick. I got BCs all the way around. This side is the worst. I got cancer right here, cancer right there. I got some tape still on there because I gotta go ahead and put some truck bed liner back in there behind those bars. There's a bunch of little spots that I guess you could say bother me. I gotta tape the whole engine bay off because the engine bay is getting painted next. I'll probably be here video recording it. And then I'm in the works with 513 Fabrication. I'm gonna actually have him hook me up with some work, but we'll get into that in another video. But that is my Neon, and let's just go ahead and get into a package that 513 sent me. Yeah, let's get into the opening. Ooh, ooh, what's this? Ooh, ooh, I didn't know he sent me stickers. I love stickers. So 513 Jamie Applegate sent me a lanyard with 513 Fab on it. That's what's up. Dude, I appreciate that. I like that. Let's see what his logo looks like. Aw, that's dope. That's dope. Alright, I'm gonna save these, you guys, because yeah, we're gonna save that. That's awesome. I'm actually gonna wear that lanyard at work. But I bought these. I bought these studs and nuts. These studs are Allen wrench studs that are gonna be going into my intake manifold bolt holes on my head. Let's go ahead and take these. Okay, Jason and I had to finish organizing inside of what we call the mechanic side, because that's where we do a lot of different stuff. Over here we do a lot of auto body shop stuff. That is my motor. I got my fab studs right there. You can go ahead and rip this off. And this is the intake side. You guys can see I have stock manifold bolts, but I was talking to 513 Fab and I told them I wanted intake manifold studs. That way I can just go ahead and slide my intake manifold right on and let it hang, and then go ahead and put my nuts and then go ahead and torque them down. So these I'm not really about anymore, so I'm so happy that he sent me these. Go ahead. I did get a 532 Allen wrench, and I got my stud right there. Perfect fit, perfect fit. Ooh, I like what that looks like. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of them on, and I'll get back to you guys. Looks like I'm gonna have to tap that one out. Luckily, Jason had a 8mm by 125 tap, so I can go ahead and take this stud out. Whoops. And see if that is my tap. And looks like it. I'm gonna go ahead and tap this out, and then I'll put my stud fully in there. Perfect. Bottomed out. Now I take this out and go ahead and put my stud in there. See all that stuff coming out? That's paint and metal. Look at those fresh threads. Let's go ahead and put this back in there. On. Look at that, so much smoother. I had no problem on any of the other studs, but just this one. It is cold out, you guys. There we go. Alright, got all my intake manifold studs in, and I also forgot that I had thermostat studs that he sent to me, because I told him I wanted all studs across the head and the intake side, because I already have the DCR ones on the exhaust side, and those are already in there from the shop, because I had them do a full valve job on the cylinder head, but the The bottom end, like I told you guys, was MPX 8.5:1 ratio kit. And I have the DCR strap kit, the windage tray, but I do not have the timing belt on here. Man, I'm so upset this isn't done this weekend. Well, it's Sunday morning. I just got this from Rock Auto LLC, delivered 11/17 at 10:22 a.m. It's 11:13. Let's go check to see if it's out here. Ah, there it is. That's what's up. And there we have it. But it's whatever, you guys. That's another future video, hopefully. Gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this up. So I'm gonna end this video. 513. I really do appreciate those intake studs. They're really beautiful. And if you guys want, contact him. He's in the description below. His link to his IG and his Facebook. Give him a thumbs up. Tell him SkittleFab sent you. If you guys do contact him personally, message him, whatever. So yeah, that's my motor being built. Why not? Why not do a timing belt video on the Neon SRT4, right? If you guys want that, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you guys want to see in that video. I gotta take off those cam gears, and I gotta do so much. I gotta finish up with this bay. Follow me on Instagram, SkittleFabs. Go to my Facebook, leave a thumbs up, because whatever I upload on Instagram, I upload on Facebook. So if you guys don't have Instagram, yeah, you know what it is. So until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.